Hi, Mimi. Oh, be careful, don't hurt her. Did you say cute baby?
Cute baby.
So how's Mimi doing? Is she good? Hi, Mia. Hi. How are you? Hi. Hi. Hi, Mia.
Hi.
Yeah, you flashing everybody? Yeah.
Mimi.
Yeah. See her on the camera?
Hi, Mimi.
Why don't you give her some more kisses?
Mimi.
Go give her some more kisses?
Look.
Give her some more kisses. Go give her some more kisses. Just be careful though, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, baby.
No. Cute baby.
Baby.
Cute baby.
Hey, baby.
I know, she's cute, huh? She is cute, baby, huh? Yes, she is. Oh, be careful.
Ma.
Oh, good. How about you give me a kiss now? Oh, careful. Good job. Alright, Mimi. Bye. Bye. Yeah. Give me a kiss. Alright. Say bye. See you later. What are you doing? Okay. Bye. See you later. Say bye, Vince.
Bye.
See ya. Bye. Bye. See ya.